I'm here for you and only you, and I need you to know I'll always be right by your side, so please don't let me go. I know we've only been together for a little while, and now you've seen another guy, you think I'm just a child. So just think again to the love that we had, and don't leave me here to cry all the tears that I have. And now you think it over and you told me what went wrong. You told me that the love you had, it wasn't really strong. Here, past all the lights, when everything is clear, nothing seems to change. How I love you, and now you're gonna leave, and I'm just slowly dying here inside. I'm trying to let go. Maybe I just thought I had you here. I thought that you would not go anywhere. I abused my position and I didn't care. And now that you no longer talk to me, and it seems that you got over me, I can hardly breathe. You no longer need me.